Ala, wala naman di giant. Wow, ice. Bakala ka ko lang iinom. Makeup tayo. Inom mo, akas din mo ni. Okay na, nagtinubingan na yan. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. How much? Hello, hola, hi. How are you guys? Good afternoon. Oh, hi. Hello, my dear friend. I'm from Philippines. How are you? How about you? Andyan ka lang di excavator. Hello, Jane Vlog. How are you, Miss Jane Vlog? Hello po. Hello, remove. No. Salamat po sa patams na. Lapag ka po ng bahay. Ano ka talaga itong mga Indiano nito? Boys. Wow, nice look. How you saying? Nice look. Just kidding. Super. I'm from Philippines. How about you, my dear friend? Are you from India? Are you Indian? Welcome to Philippines. Please subscribe me, guys. Please follow and support me, guys. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Love you. Do you have microchips? No. Why? Or robots? Yeah, I'm robot. Why? What? What are you saying? It's the way I realize how much I love you. Oh, in America. Welcome to the Philippines. Babylon. Oh. I hate America. Why you hate America? Why you hate America? America is a nice place. Oh, so good. Hello, Bernie Pogi Channel. Kumusta po? Pagit ko na ata, boy. Like and subscribe, everyone. Hello, Sir Biglon. Mr. Babylon. $2 na lang, makakasahod na ako. Baka naman. Lang niya. 50-50 pala to si Whitey. Binagsakan, ay nakakuha ako ng isang araw ng $10. Alam mo, nakuha ko lang $5 lang. Paasar ba? Pahirapan pa ah. Oo nga eh. 4 years na ako, hindi ko pa nasubukan sumahod. Buti pa yung mga kasabayan ko. Sira ulo naman tong show little bit. Ikaw yung i-show ko dyan eh. Sick people. I think, oh, Iran and what country? They are fighting. And I don't know what the reason. Hello boys, help me. Naiyak. I subscribe, thank you. Can you please support me? I really need $2 or it's better $4 because YouTube they ano na yun? Hati-hati. Paano na yun sa English yung hati-hati? Maghati ng 50-50. Ah, yan dito si Sir Biglon. Butit pa to si Sir Biglon ba? I mean $4. I need $4 so I can get my payment here. I almost 4 years and never received payment. I'm sorry, I'm not good in English, guys. My God, tungit na ata nito. Change style. Change style ko yung i-change style. Change style ko pa dyan. Tongits! Nagtutongit ako. Malakas ang ulan ngayon dito. So different. You want this one? And then she asked me, "Do I look alright?" And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful. How much you love you. It's walking around with me. And then she asked me, "Do I look alright?" And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Or should I remove you? I feel wonderful. Dataman kan kanong ditan ni. No!
No! Mom.
Ay, kuman! Inaanad si Moby na yan. Nagbulisip kalaki din.